Okay, in this video, I want to talk about deleting and renaming branches. So this is something you probably won't need to do all that often, early on at least, but if you work professionally or you work on a large project where there's tons of branches and you are constantly making new branches and then merging them in, again, we haven't talked about merging, but it's really common to work on something and then merge it in. You don't want to just have this extra branch for no reason. So you can delete them. Let's talk about how you delete a branch. You use the git branch command. Git branch does a lot. We've seen it shows us a list of branches. It also creates a new branch, and we can delete using git branch with the -d option. So -d or -- delete deletes a branch. Now it tells us this message here, it must be fully merged, blah, blah, blah. We will learn more about what this means shortly. We haven't talked about merging. But if I try and delete one of these branches, for example, let's make a new branch. So I'll go full screen here. Where are we? We are on empty playlist. It's an empty branch. Let's go to, I don't know, the Georges branch. So git switch Georges. And then let's make a new branch, and I'll use our single line version, git switch -c to create a new branch. And I'm going to call it delete me because I want to delete it. Okay, so we're on this new branch, delete me. And to delete it, I use the -d option on git branch. So let's try it. Git branch -d, and then I specify the branch to delete, which is delete me. I'm going to run into a problem. I can't delete the branch I'm checked out at, so the one that I'm viewing, right? I'm on delete me, I can't delete it. So if I switch branches, let's do git switch master, and I try running that again, now I get a different message. It's not fully merged. If you are sure you want to delete it, run git branch -d, which is equivalent to adding in the --force option. In other words, allow deleting the branch irrespective of its merged status. So in this case, that's fine. You want to be confident in what you're deleting and that you actually do want to delete it, because without GitHub, without any sort of backup, which we don't have at this point in time, if I had a lot of work on this branch and I actually delete it, it's gone. But for this demonstration, I'm fine deleting it. So git branch _D, delete me. And now it's gone. So we can see here, there is no delete me branch. All right. Now, another thing we might want to do is rename a branch. And this is something we definitely will be doing when we get to GitHub. We could rename our master branch to main to play well with GitHub. But also, it's a common thing to do if you're unhappy with a branch name or you just want to change it and give it a better name. The way that we do it is somewhat hard to remember. We use git branch, the same command. However, the flag or the option that we use is -m. And that seems somewhat confusing. It doesn't, it should be -r for rename or -n for name. But it's actually -m for move. But it's move/rename. So all that we do if we want to rename a branch is first change to the branch that we want to rename. So this is kind of confusing because to delete a branch, we had to go anywhere else but that branch. We could not delete from the branch. But to rename, you have to be on the branch. Again, it's just kind of weird, but you don't have to do this that frequently. So what branch should I rename? How about instead of recent-ish music, I just want to rename it to 2000s. So music from the 2000s, because recent-ish implies something somewhat, pretty recent, but maybe I want anything from the 2000s. So I'm going to switch, git switch, and I'll do checkout this time just to mix it up, show you both work. Recent-ish music, I switched, okay. And now I'm going to rename it with git branch -m, and then my new name, which will be 2000s, okay? And we can see already it changed to 2000s over here. If I type git status on branch 2000s, git log, we see that head is pointing to 2000s as the branch name. It's the same branch that I was on before. The same two Phoebe Bridgers songs are here, but it's been renamed from recent-ish music to 2000s. So I'll do, I guess, one more commit. Here are two songs by a great group called Motorrat, and I will go ahead and commit dash A dash M, just to do it in one go. Add to Motoret songs. All right, and so that only exists on the 2000s branch. It no longer is called recent-ish songs or recent-ish music. Okay, so that's how you can rename a branch. It's dash M. Where are you? Where did I do it? Right here. It's somewhat confusing, but it works. It stands for move. And then we have dash D to delete a branch. Two operations you may not need to do all that often, certainly not right now, but good to know about.